attacking the young chicks. Yet, what perhaps the predator didn't anticipate was the counterattack by the rooster to protect its offspring. The rooster possesses sharp talons and a pointed beak. This warrior fought fiercely against the eagle over breath. It was the power of the love that parents harbor for the young. In the tranquility of a North American farm, the peace was shattered by the appearance of a hawk. The predator attacked the mother. However, the hawk was too young for the grizzly. This noble father figure did the hawk flee, or else he might have become the prey. At another farm, chaos by targeting
Có hàng đi mà đây trời kìa mày nè nè ba nó màu nè cái thôi đi này
Bác đi. Có cái này hả?
If you think animals in a farm live harmoniously, that's not always the case. From the cow towards the hen, this too from the large moved animal to the male was instinct. The cow had to swiftly retreat before the rooster ferocity gets to a higher level. A wingspan of up to 2 meters is one of the tools for the eagle to navigate and successfully target its prey. Its talons serves as weapons to grasp the prey firmly. The eagle seemed to have its lunch within reach, but surprisingly, the chicken's cleverness in feeding Jack created an opportunity allowing it to flee from the eagle's grasp. The young ones are always carefully guarded by their parents, and so it is with the mother chicken. There was a battle between the mother chicken and a crow. Despite appearing similar to other birds, the mother chicken also possesses talons, a pointed beak, and long white wings, except it cannot fly. However, these weapons and the protective instinct of a mother led the mother chicken to triumph over the crow. Reptiles like the king cobra rely on their young tongues to locate prey and often pose a significant threat to confronting this venomous predator. The mother chicken maneuvered, hopping around to throw off the king cobra's attacks. In the end, the mother succeeded in protecting her young.
डर लग रहा कोबरा के सामने कर रही है
Observation is a crucial skill in hunting for a hawk. However, choosing to attack a flock of chickens is a mistake. While chickens might not be predators, they're fighting spirit rivals, that of mighty birds. Never underestimate your prey. The lush green pasture is where the turkey leads its brood to forage. However, A hawk surprised him. The hawk's attack speed was immense, but targeting the wrong prey forced it to hastily retreat. Indeed, run as fast as you can before the hawk becomes the prey.